Hey guys, in this video I'll show you exactly how you can create an account on WarriorPlus and how you can make money with it. So first, as you can see, I'm now on the home page of WarriorPlus. As you can see, you can read the reviews if you want. You can read the process of how it works, and you can see the benefits of WarriorPlus. So what you want to do is you want to tap on free sign up. As you can see, once you tap on free sign up, you need to create a username, a password, and an email address. So you can just do that, of course, and after you filled in that, you will get a verification email. So as you can see, you will get this screen and a verification email will be sent to your email. That verification email will look something like this, as you can see. So you just need to tap on this link, and after you tap on that link, your account is verified. And then once you are logged in, you get this screen. So it can be a bit overwhelming, but it actually is pretty easy, or it's not that hard. So what you want to do is you want to tap on this marketplace right here. Just tap on it and you see a very long list of products, of text. What you need to do, it's very easy. You can see the top sellers right now. So these are the top 10 sellers right now. But you can filter it on top 25 if you want, and you can filter it on today, yesterday, last 7 days, or last 30 days. For example, let's say last 30 days. As you can see, these products, these digital or physical products are all doing very well in the last 30 days, the top 25. So as you can see, this product slash vendor is number one, Vox AI. If I tap on it, I get to see the landing page. As you can see, this is the product that is doing very well right now. But where you want to go is you want to go to the upper screen, and then you see affiliate, and then you want to go to offers. So these are all of the offers available right now in WarriorPlus. So as you can see, you see a lot of information, but don't be overwhelmed. So what you need to do, okay, so as you see here, so the release date, of course, when the product is released, the sales 2000 plus, the conversion rate, so how many people that go to that landing page and then actually buy it, so that's 17%. The visitor value, average sale, and the refund rate, as you can see, and the affiliate score. So as you can see, this Tube Russia product is doing very well. You can just tap on it for more information. As you can see, this is the owner or the vendor, we call it, of this product. As you can see, the price range, so there is for you a lot of commissions to pick from. So because this Tube Russia thing is sold for $28 till even $500, so that's very cool. So as you can see, you can again see the stats, so the sales, visitor value, conversion rate, and refund rate, and the affiliate score, so the pulse. As you can see, and you see the information. So what is this product actually? How can I promote that? Where do I need to be careful with, etc., etc. So as you see here products, and you see 26. So you can just tap on it. These are all the products just within Tube Russia, so you can promote all of these products. So as you can see, you can take a look at this funnel map right here. And maybe this is a bit overwhelming, but it actually just, your visitors get to this main page, then they get upsold for even more products, more expensive products. And once you get a commission for this first product, so you let visitors to their main page, they get upsold for more products, for even more expensive products. So that means you get even more commission, so even more money. That's pretty cool. As you can see, you can buy Pro, you can Pro SEO edition, Facebook and Instagram edition, ChatGPT edition. I don't know, it's just a lot of information, a lot of products, and so a lot of money laying around for you. So as you can see, if you want to promote this offer, you need, of course, a link somewhere that's not very possible. You just need to tap on request approval. As you can see, you can, if you want to request notes, just say I have a website with 100,000 monthly visitors, and I want to promote your product. If you want to, it's optional, as you see right there, but you can just tap on request offer. You can also view the sales page of this company, of this product. As you can see, TubeWorster. So this is where you will redirect your visitors to. So once you get the affiliate link, it will look something like this. As you can see, this. So this is an affiliate link. As you can see, this A is for affiliate, and you will get this affiliate link, and you actually need your clients need to tap on those links. And this way, WarriorPlus knows, oh, it's an affiliate link. So as you can see, this will redirect me to a product, .com. And if someone buys this product through this link, I get a commission. So that is how it works. So if you tap on, let me check, tap on request approval, and they accept you, you can get that affiliate link of that specific product. So in order to track all of your sales, all of your commissions, you need to go to affiliate and then tap on dashboard. As you can see, I just made an account, so I do not have any sales or clicks or anything. But if you have a lot of links, a lot of visitors monthly, and you are doing a great job, you will need to see some money right here. And it's very easy to even withdraw it. So as you can see, I do not have any money, but imagine I had, you just need to tap on your name and then WarriorPlus wallet, just tap on it. And as you can see, I do not have any money, so I do not have any current balance, but you need to just tap on withdraw, and you just need to fill your tax, of course. That's quite logical, but it's very easy. You can just select the amount of money you want to withdraw, and it's very easy to pay it in a few business days. So it's very handy. So as you can see your stats, transactions, sales report, and even this is what I really like, contests. So when a company launches WarriorPlus, they sometimes do a contest. So what that means is they kind of do a little competition between those between affiliate marketers. So yeah, you get prizes. As you can see, thanks for being interested in promoting our latest offer, with over $500 in cash prizes for grab. So as you can see, if you promote this product and you're ending first, or you're doing very well, you maybe win even $500. So yeah, it's really like a win-win situation, because one, you get paid for promoting this product if people buy it, and you have the chance for getting monetized, getting more money, even more monetized with WarriorPlus through the contest. So it's pretty cool. As you can see, you can filter on top products. So these products are doing very well today, but you can filter it on yesterday, last 7 days, last 30 days. As you can see, so if you do not have any idea which product is doing well, but you want to promote a product, this product is probably very good. So where do I need to promote my product? So I have an affiliate link, let's say of a motivational video, or I don't know, let's say so you got a video of how to improve your health. So let's say a course. So this course is on WarriorPlus, and you get a $10 commission on every time you sell the course. So you have the affiliate link right here, but where do I need to send my affiliate link to? I have this link, but yeah, I need clients, I need people that tap on the link, that buy those products. Now, since this is a product that helps you improve your life or your health, actually, you can, for example, go to Pinterest. Let me go to Pinterest. So what you can do, you can go to Pinterest, you create an account, and what you can do is you can post pictures of men, of healthy men, of how to improve your life, how to become more healthy, of working out, of important vitamins. And what you can do, you can post pictures, can rank really high within Pinterest. I'm sorry. And what you can do is you can paste those affiliate links, like for example this one, and when I tap on this image it will redirect me to this website. But what you can do is you can paste your affiliate link over there, and they will be redirected to that course, and if they buy that course you get a commission of, in this case, $10. So every time someone sees this image and thinks, well, I want to improve my health, I might buy that course. So they tap on that image, they buy the course, and they improve their life. So a win-win situation, and you will get a commission. So it's pretty cool. So you can do this on Instagram or on even TikTok, for example. On Pinterest is a very good way. I did it myself, and it really, really works. So yeah, that's one thing that you can do. Or you can just make Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts or just TikToks that about improving your life, how to improve your life, 10 best habits, as you can see right there, 5 most healthy things to eat for men. You can make just TikToks related to that product. So, and you can again set that link. You can put it in your bio, and you can just promote it. So if you want to improve your life, check out the link in my bio. And once your visitors, your followers tap on that link and buy the course, you can again get a commission. So it's like really great. And even if it's like a monthly subscription, I'm sorry. So like the course is just, for example, let's say $20 per month, and you get a $10 commission monthly. So if they are a member of that course for like 6 months, you get $60, $10 every month. So it's like recurring. So if you have a lot of commissions, that will like stack up. It's a compound effect. So like, it can go really far. It's like really great business model. I really recommend you doing it. So WarriorPlus is very great. I recommend you creating an account, and it's very great. So if this video was helpful, if you have any questions, just let me know. I hopefully answer them. I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe, it means a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.